Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the Xiaomi Mi water leakage sensor. This is a new Mijia sensor available from various Chinese shops for around $15 US. This sensor is using BLE, and that means that it requires BLE gateway. BLE or Bluetooth gateway functionality is available either separately by using standalone BLE gateway, by using Mijia multimode gateway, but it also incorporates in many e-light products like ceiling lights, bath heater, or bedside lamp too. The size of this sensor is pretty similar to the old Zigbee water leak sensor, and we'll compare them side by side at the end of the video. So let's see how it is installed. First of all, you need to press the sensor. There is a hidden button at the top and you'll see the small LED blinks. As you can see, this one is not added as a child device to the Zigbee gateway. You need to go to the main screen of Mi Home and press the plus button at the upper right hand corner, and if you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone, it should find the sensor. From there on, it is all standard installation like everything in Mi Home. You got to select the location of the device, change its default name to something more meaningful to you, agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, and that's it. The device will appear on all your BLE gateway devices a bit later. The sensor has only two states, that is, either there is no water leak or there is one. The settings are pretty standard, similar to all other devices. You can change the location of the device, rename it, set security, which basically means put password, and add it to home screen or update the firmware. There, after a couple of minutes, it is visible under BLE gateways. Finally, let's put it side by side with the old water leak sensor. As you can see, it's slightly bigger but with no major differences. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.